my little friends and big friends. We're going to do some volcano science today. We're going to try different liquids and other things to see what fizzes the best, what maybe doesn't work as well, and you can try this at home on your own. Okay, so here's what I have that we're going to use today. I've got it poured out and we're going to try all these things and see what works. So we're going to add some baking soda to each of these things and see what works the best. We're going to start with vinegar. That works really well. Let's try some salad dressing. Looks like we might need to stir this up. There, we've got some fizzing. Let's try pickle juice. Sorry, that's my dog Pepper. She barks at just about anything. Okay, let's try some ketchup. Looks like we'll need to stir that up. It's more solid and so it doesn't soak in as quickly. There it goes. It's really fizzing up. And now we've got a lemon and an orange. And to this I'm going to add the lemon, and you can do it to the orange too, but we're going to add a little food coloring. So I've got some purple and some pink. And you can add any color you want. I'm using neon colors. Okay. We're going to add a little baking soda. And if you push the baking soda in with a spoon or a fork or a knife, then you start to get a really nice reaction. And you can do the same thing with an orange. It has a similar reaction. So try some of this at home and let me know how it works.